Hi all healthy people, or who wanna be healthy, with you again Yaroslav Shvets, and share a little bit about raw foodism. So today I'll tell you how to do the powder of raw pumpkin seeds. So today I'll tell you how to do the powder of flour from pumpkin seeds. Basically the flour you can use, well, for the cooking, making chocolates, or some sweets, or mayonnaise, etc. So basically, same like sunflower seeds. I showed a video a few days ago, and you can do it actually from different kind of seeds. You can do it from nuts, let's say almond nuts, so you can make a powder from almond nuts and cook something amazing. If you're not a raw foodist, if you're a raw foodist, basically you can dry it, some kind of breads or pancakes or whatever. Same like you can take powder from coconut and make a lot of amazing stuff. So same like with other seeds, we put it in the water on overnight for later to soak the water and make it a bit softer, because it's dry and really hard, it will be quite difficult for mix. And also you can use it without drying. So if you do the mayonnaise, you can put, let's say, for 3-4 hours and it will be ready for put it in a blender or mixer or whatever. Or you can dry it up later, same like in sunflower seeds. So you put it in the water, absorb the water, usually I put it overnight, and then you can put it on the sun, let it dry, or you can put it in the oven, but it should be like only 45 degrees, like really low temperature, because you know, after 50 degrees, all of the vitamins and elements, it just broke up. So we will lost all of the benefits what we need. So we'll put it in the water, then you can store it like in some plastic bag, like I store some spices up here, and much better if you can put it in a glass. So it's another spice I store it here, so I have a lot of different glass containers. So the ready version of the seeds, so we just put it inside the blender, a mixer, blend it up. As I said before, you can use a traditional one, works quite well as well. Okay, so if you like the video, you think it was useful for you, you know what to do. And next one, I'll show you how to do the mayonnaise from it, and maybe some sweets as well.